week we're going to do clay family portraits. You can use clay, you can use modeling clay, Model Magic, Play-Doh. We made our own clay.
For this easy 3-ingredient no-bake clay, all you need to do is mix together 1 1/4 cup of water, 1 cup of cornstarch, and 2 cups of baking soda. Stir over medium heat until mashed potato consistency. Make sure to have adult supervision while you work on the stove. Take a look at some of these examples of clay family portraits that I found online. When it comes to creating your own family portrait, the first thing you want to do is get all of the colors that you'll need. For me, since I made my own clay, I wanted to mix my colors using food dye. An easy way to plan this out is to write down the colors that you need on aluminum foil and then set aside pieces of clay for each color. When it comes time to creating your portrait, just be creative. As you can see, my daughter is being very creative in her take on a self-portrait.
.org or post it on Facebook with hashtag
ArtReach Challenge
and hashtag family portraits. Remember, share your artwork with those in your community because we know the more we share, the more art has the power to heal, inspire, and empower us. Until next week, stay safe, stay healthy, and
so creative.
stay creative. Bye.